Hello everyone and welcome to your channel. So today we are going to start with equation of line part 1. In this video we'll be discussing certain concepts and the question related to that concept only. See, in 9th standard we studied equation of line which is represented by ax plus by equals c. That means the degree of x should be 1 and the degree of y should be 1. If it is ax equals c, then also it is an equation of line, and if it is by equals c, then also it's equation of line only. But if it is ax plus by, then it is called linear equation in two variable, and if only one variables are given, so we call it as linear equation in one variable. Now let's suppose if I am having an equation that is 3x plus 5y equals 2. Now if I am provided with this equation, I'll get a straight line, whatever it can, in which form it can be, but I'll get only a straight line. So in this line, whatever point comes, all that points will satisfy this equation. What I told, any point which satisfies the equation of a line lies on that line. Now let's suppose I have provided with 3x plus 5y equal 2 and the point is 4 comma 2 and 4 comma minus 2. Now I have to find out that which point lies on this line, or I can say which point lies on the line which is represented by this equation. So in that case, I'll substitute the values of x and y over here. So 3 into 4, if I'm taking 4 comma 2 point, 3 into 4 12 plus 5 into 2 10. Thus in this case LHS is not equal to RHS. So 4 comma 2 does not lie on the line which is represented by this equation. But now if I am substituting this value 4 comma minus 2, so 3 into 4 plus 5 into minus 2, I'll get 12 minus 10, this will be 2 equals 2. So here LHS is equals to RHS, that means 4 comma minus 2 will lie on the line which is represented by this equation. So now next example is line which is represented by equation 3x minus 8y equals 2 passes through point k comma 2. So we have to find what k. Now they are told that this line or this equation of line passes through this point. If it passes through this point, that means x is equals to k and y is equals to 2. We'll put over here. So 3k minus 8 into 2, 16 equals 2. Since they have already told that this point lies on this line, that means LHS will be equal to RHS only. So we'll shift 16 to that side. We'll get 3k equals 18. Thus k is equals to 6. So we have seen, if they ask that whether this point is represented by this equation or not, so we have to prove LHS is equals to RHS. But if they are saying that this point lies on this equation, we have to find out the unknown value. So we'll solve like this. See now the example, does the line 3x equal y plus 1 bisect the line segment joining the points this. Let's suppose 3x equals y plus 1 is the equation of this line. 3x equals y plus 1 is the equation of this line. Now what they have told, there are 2 points. Let's suppose one point is here and other point is here. We are taking just example 2 comma 3 and 4 comma 1. Now इनके bisect, this line bisects this. That means we have to find out the center point of these 2 points. Center of these 2 points, and we have seen in coordinate geometry how can we calculate the center point of 2 points. So we can apply formula x is equals to x1 plus x2 by 2 thus we'll get minus 2 plus 4 by 2. So 2 by 2 will get 1. So here the x coordinate will be 1 and y is equals to what? y1 plus y2 by 2. That means 3 plus 1 by 2, 4 by 2, it will be 2. So y coordinate will be what? 2. So what they have asked now in question, that whether this point lies on this equation or not. So we'll put equation is 3x equal y plus 1. Hence they are asking about the point 1, 2. So 3 into 1 equal 2 plus 1. So 3 is equals to 3. Hence LHS is equals to RHS. Therefore this point will lie on the line which is represented by this equation. Now next type of question is line segment joining A to 1, B point F 5 minus 8 is trisected. That means it is divided into 3 parts at point P and Q. If P is closer to A, lies on the line this and find K. We are provided with a line segment. Now in this line segment there is a point A which is 2, 1 and B is what? 5 minus 8. This line segment is trisected. That means divided into 3 parts at point P and Q. P is lying closer to A. They have already told. Now the equation of this point is already mentioned to us, that this P lies on the line which is represented by equation what? 2x plus y plus k equals 0. So now what we have to calculate? K. So we can calculate now what is the coordinate of P with the help of the concept which we studied in coordinate geometry. What we studied, if 2 points are provided to us and if they are trisected means the ratio will be, this is 1 and this is 2. So the ratio will be 1 is to 2. Hence we'll apply formula x is equals to m1x2 plus m2x1 upon m1 plus m2. So x is equals to 1 into 5 plus 2 into 2 by 1 plus 2. It will be 5 plus 4, 9 by 3. This will be 3. Y will be what? Y coordinate formula will be m1 by 2 plus m2y1 upon m1 plus m2. So here m1, 1 into minus 8 plus 2 into 1 by 3, thus we'll get minus 6 by 3, that is minus 2. So the point P is represented by coordinate that is 3 comma minus 2. Now since equation of line is given 2x minus y plus k equals 0, so 3 and minus 2 will lie in this line. So in place of x we'll put 3, 2 into 3 6, minus minus plus 2 plus k equals 0. How we have solved it? X in place of x I have put 2 and in place of y I have put minus 2. So minus 2 and this minus becomes plus. Thus k is equals to minus 8. So in this video we have seen how we have to solve the questions if they mention certain points and they ask whether these points lie on the line which is represented by certain equations, and we have studied the types of question which comes in exam. Hope you guys are finding videos helpful. So please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.